Welcome to Income Nook, where help can be found so you don't need to be afraid or fearful of investing. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Or visit the website. Income Nook is not a financial advisor. Please do your research before buying within the stock market. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Why invest? Here are 5 great reasons not to be afraid of investing. If this is all new to you, don't be fearful. We can look at some wonderful benefits of getting involved with the subject of investing. Before beginning, here is one important piece of advice to be understood. It is important to stay grounded. To take investing advice with a grain of salt, even with an open mind about what is right or wrong in the subject of investing. This is because very few, if any individuals or companies are able to predict the future. So the advice here. Learn to think for yourself. Do some research. Okay, let's begin. Here are the 5 great reasons on why to invest. Reason 1. Future preparation. By investing for yourself or someone you know, you pave the way toward future success. Putting away just $1,000 becomes $21,725 in 40 years, at the 8% annual return of some long-term fund. Imagine, this is just a one-time deposit of $1,000 that is left alone for 40 years. This result can be achieved with an IRA, for example, an individual retirement account. Here's what is really cool. Let's presume you have a kid or teenager. You begin a fund for them at 20 years old that can be withdrawn yearly beginning at 70 years old. That's 50 years of a one-time deposit sitting around. If depositing $5,000 with nothing else, that's $234,508 after the 50 years. All this at an 8% yearly return. And genius in picking stocks is absolutely not required. A balanced portfolio often found with a traditional or Roth IRA is enough. One of these 2 investment vehicles is great. Reason 2. Beat inflation. Do not just save money idly. Put it to work for growth. You need not let your money sit aside idle and depreciate by day. And you don't have to deposit it into a bank to get the 1% of 1% returns monthly. Let it grow to a much greater degree in the stock market. This is the more proper way to keep up with inflation. In fact, it can be better to have no savings account and fees associated with one. Instead, put the money into a retirement savings fund and don't withdraw from it. For an emergency fund, one could put a savings of $1,000 into a checking account. The reason to not have an actual savings account is to avoid fees. Simplify and hold a checking account only if possible. Reason 3. Monetary discipline. Begin with right self-discipline. Both pride and having the proper mindset can shape a nice investing future. Confidence can blossom through having an appropriate beginning in the investing world. If one can invest a lump sum just one time, confidence gained may lead to further gains by becoming strict with money. Saving and not spending on many unnecessary things can help against the chances of future poverty or bad financial decisions. Awakening to the concept of having good investments brings a stable disciplined beginning. Reason 4. Invest with stable businesses. A company will many times begin as a private entity. When it decides to go public, all owners involved kind of degrade their full monetary power in order to get more capital from the entire market, or the populace that wants to invest alongside them. If you believe in some company or want to take part with them in ownership of the company, buying some shares of stock will do the trick. Taking pride in a company you believe in may lend itself toward the future, and investing with the company over the long term. Sharing in company growth over time here is the reason for the 8% yearly growth already mentioned. It's nice to grow with some company that is at least believed in somewhat. Reason 5. Leave something behind. If you have others you care about, consider investing to leave something behind after you've passed on. This can be a great caring action for people special to you. Second, you can also leave money lessons behind to the young ones in your life. The young are formidable and can learn to invest through your example. Seeing a young person in your life gain financial knowledge can be satisfying indeed. Summary. So the 5 reasons to invest include: future preparation, beating inflation, monetary discipline, stable business beliefs, and leaving something behind. If you enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, like the video, or click the bell to get new videos. The Income Nook website and videos deal with investing, income earning and saving, and other related subjects. Thanks for visiting.